90s import here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1990 Mercedes-Benz 300e sedan. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Just a little over 92,000 is all in this one. Extremely nice shape, well taken care of Mercedes. Let's go ahead and take a peek at this front grille. Headlights, bumper, 2.6 liter inline six underneath the hood. Of course, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, heat blows hot, anthracite gray metallic and gray two-tone. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see this car from every angle. Underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct Mercedes wheels. BF Goodrich Touring radials. Technician noted brakes are at 80% in the front, 80% in the rear. It is four-wheel disc brakes. And as I mentioned earlier, power. You can see this paint has a nice shine to it. Up and down this passenger side, I have not noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches, and it does not appear this thing's been driven in much more inclement weather. When you take a look around those wheel wells, lower rockers, and again, condition of the paint and interior, both. Extremely nice shape. We'll get around to the driver's side. Check it out a little bit closer. I'm going to start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. And if you stick around to the very end, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Electric sunroof would pop up. In with the still pictures, you're also going to see a copy of the window sticker, so you can see exactly how this car was equipped. Has a fold down headrest or head restraints in the back. It's going to come with a car cover. It's a 2.6 badging for the inline 2.6 liter. There are a few scuffs kind of on the deck lid of the trunk. Again, it has a nice shine, don't get me wrong. There's just kind of some scuffs in the clear. It's not through the paint or anything like that. A lot of miles left to give in this one. German engineered automobile, obviously very reliable, tight driving, and they stay that way through the years and the miles. Definitely take a look at the underside too, so you can see how clean this car is. Top to bottom, inside and out, uniqueclassiccars.com. As we take a look down this driver's side, I do want to point out, I notice there's a little kind of dinger back here in that rear quarter. But other than that, I have not really noticed much, again, for any major imperfections. Hey, it's a 1990. Yeah, there may be a little touch up here or there or a scuff, but overall, again, very nice shape. Paint shows well as we look up and down this driver's side. And really lack of many door dings or anything on this one. Let's take a look at this interior. I don't think this rear seat has hardly been sat in. So door panel looks like new. And seating surface. No rips, tears, holes. Like I said, really anywhere at all. Headliner's good. Sounds good closing that door. Of course, you're going to have your monitored amenities with the power locks, and power seat, both sides, power mirrors, power windows. And just look at lack of really any sort of wear on that seat. Check out the exact miles, so 92,240. I'm going to grab the key so I can fire this up. Listen to it run. Does have an aftermarket Alpine stereo system in it. All right, fired right up. You can see there's no service, engine soon, check engine light, anything like that. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect temp to be up. Oil pressure looks good. Fuel gauge looking good. Tack working. Somebody's calling. Sounds good too. And again, AC blows cold, heat blows hot. Top of the dash. Looks good. You can tell this car was stored indoors also. I also want to show you the sunroof in working order. Slip around to the back so we can hear this run. Sounds as you'd expect, nice and smooth. Sounds good. Alright, let me slip up to the front. I'm going to get this hood popped open a second here. Might be able to do it one-handed. Let's try this. There we go. Yeah, look at the hood liner, how clean that is. This car has not been driven in inclement weather. Let's see that. Look how clean this engine bay is. Again, you can see power brakes, power steering. It is four-wheel disc. That's some reliable transportation and a lot of car for the money. 1990 Mercedes-Benz 300e Sedan. Call us, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. A little over 92,000 miles is all in this one. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 1990 Mercedes-Benz. This is a four-door with an automatic shifter right here on the center console. Multi-position power adjustable seat. An Alpine stereo in the dash. Well, that's the first time that song has come up. That is awesome. Nice firm shift from the automatic transmission. Very responsive throttle. Our fuel gauge is showing full on the tank. Temperature approximately 70 degrees Celsius. Our oil pressure is high, and that's good. Speedometer working, tachometer working, and we are clock equipped right there as well. Wood grain in the center console and a little bit on the dash. Both our turn signal indicators are working. The interior is in very nice shape. Power glass roof over my head. Quiet ride from this car. Stays nice and straight in the lane if you let go of the wheel. Everything is smooth and quiet. Smooth braking. Handles well in the corners. Very nice sounding engine. You don't really hear the exhaust, you hear the engine. It is that quiet. Very comfortable car. Plenty of room to bring all your friends on a long, comfortable road trip. Check out all the pictures of this Mercedes at UniqueClassicCars.com.